In this video, I explain how I diagnosed and fixed a P0316 engine misfire detected on startup, first 1000 revolutions error. The customer brought in their vehicle with the check engine light on. Using a scan tool, I confirmed the P0316 error code and monitored live data, which revealed a misfire in one cylinder. To investigate further, I connected a spark tester to the ignition coil of the misfiring cylinder and cranked the engine, finding no spark. I inspected the ignition coil wiring harness and connector but found no visible damage. Next, I used a multimeter to test the resistance of the ignition coil's secondary winding and discovered that it was out of specification. This confirmed the ignition coil was faulty. To resolve the issue, I replaced the faulty ignition coil, cleared the error codes, and performed a road test. The vehicle operated properly, and the check engine light stayed off with no fault codes returning. If you're experiencing a P0316 error or engine misfire issues, this video will help you understand how to diagnose and fix the problem.